How to add video to your Instagram note. In this video, I will show you how can you easily add video on your Instagram note. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open your Instagram application and go to chat section. There you will see the section of note. Click on your note and now you will see the option of little camera. Click on it and then you will see the interface of recording a video. After you click on it, remember that you can only record a short video like a boomerang to add on your note. After you are done recording, click on tick and then you can upload it on your note. And that's all. But listen, if you don't have the feature of your note on Instagram, you're suggested to go to Google Play and update the latest version of Instagram. And that's all. That is how easily you can add video to your Instagram note. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.